M-code is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the use of a standardized language to program CNC machines. CNC machines are computer-controlled machines that are used to manufacture parts and products in various industries. M-code is a language that is used to program these machines to perform specific tasks, such as cutting, drilling, and milling. The use of M-code allows for greater precision and accuracy in the manufacturing process, as well as increased efficiency and productivity. M-code is an essential service in the manufacturing industry, as it allows for the automation of many manufacturing processes. This automation can lead to significant cost savings for manufacturers, as it reduces the need for manual labor and increases the speed and accuracy of the manufacturing process. Additionally, M-code allows for greater flexibility in the manufacturing process, as it can be used to program machines to perform a wide range of tasks. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom metal parts and components. The company has extensive experience in the use of M-code, and has developed a reputation for delivering high-quality products that meet the exact specifications of their customers. Berkness Company understands the importance of using the latest technology and techniques in the manufacturing process, and is committed to staying at the forefront of the industry. If you are interested in learning more about M-code and how it can benefit your manufacturing process, we encourage you to visit the Contact Us page on the Berkness Company website. Our team of experts is available to answer any questions you may have, and can provide you with the information you need to make an informed decision about incorporating M-code into your manufacturing process. Contact us today to learn more. FAQs. 1. What is M-code in manufacturing? M-code is a programming language used in CNC, computer numerical control, machines to control various functions such as spindle speed, coolant flow, and tool changes. It is a standardized language that allows different machines to communicate with each other and perform specific tasks. 2. How is M-code used in manufacturing? M-code is used in manufacturing to automate the production process and improve efficiency. It allows operators to program machines to perform specific tasks, such as drilling, cutting, and milling, with precision and accuracy. M-code can also be used to monitor machine performance and diagnose problems. 3. What are the benefits of using M-code in manufacturing? The benefits of using M-code in manufacturing include increased productivity, improved accuracy, and reduced downtime. By automating the production process, M-code allows manufacturers to produce more products in less time, with fewer errors. It also enables manufacturers to make adjustments to the production process in real time, improving overall efficiency and reducing waste. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.